Can't wait to go home and unbox it.
People are waiting here in line.
For what store? What store is that?
Apple. It is open.
Oh my, can't wait to go home and unbox it. Okay, finally we get to do the unboxing. Yes, I'm so excited to see the phone. Yay. All right. It's pretty. Oh my gosh, the camera is so much larger than I'm used to. Oh my god. Okay, the cord is looking a little different. Nothing else in the box for all that money. That's crazy. Hey guys. So this is my 12 Pro and this is the 16 Pro. It's supposedly supposed to be what, 0.1 inches bigger, which I mean, I don't know if you guys can see the difference with two. What do you mean?
Yours is 6'1", this is 6'3".
The camera is so much bigger. Like the camera on this is the 16 Pro, and if I took my husband's Pro Max, it's like the same size camera. I would have thought that the cameras would be the same because since they're both Pro models, they would have been like the same size. I know it's supposed to be an improvement, but oh my gosh, it's huge. Okay, so let's look. Oh my god. All right. I don't want it in the video. I don't need steps. I really like the screen protector sets that come with the guidance thing, because it makes things so much easier. All right. Can't believe the camera's so big.
Professional pictures.
It's huge. Panicking, panicking,
Wait.
panicking. 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 Oh, jeez. There's a bubble here. Oh my god, I did it perfectly. Look at that. Look at that. No bubble. No bubbles. Look at that. Amazing. Beautiful. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. So, can you guys guess which color phone case I'm gonna put on? Can you guys guess? Guess in the comments really quick. And it is purple. Yes. Oh my god, look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. The space is huge. Oh my god. What? No, why is it so huge? Okay, I always love Cord King cases because they're really soft. Look at this protection though. Like, look at the side profile, right? Look at that. And I love how soft it is on the inside, and plus they have a lifetime warranty. And look at, you know, cute little stickers. There we go. Nice and snug. Beautiful.